Hello, kids. We are going to tell you a story of a brother, bhai, and a sister, behen, and it's all about their pets, animals. Yes. So once upon a time, a brother, bhaiya, was talking to her sister, behen. And Bhaiya said, Guess what? Guess what? I have a pet dinosaur. बहन ने कहा, A dinosaur? Really? Does it eat meat? क्या वो गोश्त खाता है? Yep. भैया ने कहा, My dinosaur, Dino, loves to eat meat. गोश्त खाता है. He likes to chase after big steak and yummy snacks. Then the sister said, Wow, that's so cool. My unicorn, Sparkle, only eats grass. घास खाती है. She loves the fresh green grass, हरी घास, in the meadow. Bhaiya said, Yum, that sounds nice. But you know what? Dino loves to take bath in the rain. बारिश में नहाता है. He runs around splashing in the puddles. बहन ने कहा, Sister said, Sparkle likes the rain too. She dances in the puddles and gets all sparkly. Her shiny coat looks even brighter after the rain. Bhaiya ne kaha, That's funny. My dinosaur sleeps on the soft grass. नरम घास पर सोता है, stretching out under the big trees. बहन ने कहा, Sparkle sleeps on a bed of beautiful flowers. फूलों के बिस्तर पे सोती है. She curls up so peacefully, surrounded by colorful petals. भैया ने कहा, Wow, your unicorn is lucky. My dinosaur has a big, comfy spot in the grass. But I bet Sparkle's flower bed is the best. बहन ने कहा, Yes, it is like a magical garden for her. But I think Dino's grass spot sounds fun too. They are both lucky pets. Yay! Dinosaurs and unicorns are the best pets ever. Definitely, we have the best of both worlds. Rainy baths, yummy food, and comfy naps. Bhaiya or Behen took a ride on their pets towards the sky, and they enjoyed their rides on their pets very much. And the end. Khuda Hafiz, Alvida, Future of Urdu की तरफ से.